Hey guys, Brian from Variable Traders here. It is Thursday, June 7th. So just going to go over a couple trades that I had announced in the room pre-market. A couple of stocks I was looking at. One was SJM. It was gapping down significantly on the open. I was looking for that for an opening range breakdown, and it really didn't behave the way I was hoping it would. And I got it in and out of it really quickly. I think I made $5 on it or something, but I could just tell it wasn't going to work out. And if I'd looked at the daily more closely, I probably should have struck it off my list as a stock I was watching. Because if you look at the daily here, you can see here this is the daily bar for today. Started on the low and went higher, but look at the way it led into this. This day. This is March right here. This is the start of March, so you can kind of see middle of March. It just starts tanking. So a lot of people in here are short, and probably that would explain why it behaved like this. Because all these people that got in here, a lot of them were selling. A lot of people got short, and so when it opened down, the short sellers, the people that were in short, were covering their positions. So there wasn't a whole lot of juice left in that to go down. And you can see here, here's a level of support here, and probably respected that level as well. But this is not what I wanted to see for an opening range breakdown. I typically like to see something like this going into a gap down. That way all these people up here are trapped long, and then you get a gap down, and then they all want to get out. So this was almost the reverse. All these people short, now they want to get out, and this thing goes up. So yeah, so that didn't work out very well, and should have paid more attention to the daily on that. So that was SJM. The other one I looked at was MDXG. It was gapping down. I was looking for that for an opening range breakdown. It was kind of selling off a little bit, but then as we got into the last few minutes before the open, it started to pick up. Some volume came in, a little bit of volume came in, and then the thing just took off. I think it opened up around VWAP, and then it continued higher from there. So we actually ended up playing it long, and that was something that Andrew flagged. But I could tell when it wasn't going to break this level here. Was already starting to look at it thinking it was already sort of selling off a little too much. So when it really took off, I just stopped looking at it, and then Andrew got into it and I joined in. So anyway, those are the two trades. It didn't work out exactly as planned today. It was kind of a weird day, but I always know, the day after a big market move up is always tends to be a little bit strange in my eyes. So at least the way I see, a little bit more choppy. So anyway, that's it, and I hope everyone's having a good evening. We'll see you in the room tomorrow, Friday. Bye for now, guys.